Welcome everybody, Blue Bike Doors channel, another episode of Dickin around in the shed. Boy, I got a lot of junk here, don't I? Guess you can't find the junk I'm looking for. On that intro. I don't need that no more. Well, sound like an airplane flying over. Don't you love it when you got something and you don't know what you did with it? Yeah, I got something I lost and I don't know what
I did was I thought I brought it out here, but I don't doubt me I didn't. Well, you got a leaf falling off. That's what that was. Well, garbage. I lost all my pudding stickers. Dang it. They gotta be in the house somewhere. Anyway.
I bought me a new welding helmet. See, the batteries was included. This is compared to a Lincoln welder, but it was all brand name. Weldcott is the name of it. And I was gonna put my pudding and extra stickers on it because it's black. It's got the nice little comfort grip here, and you got a lot of adjustments in it. Alright, fits good. Tighten these up to hold it. Tighten these up to hold the top of it up. And then you go welding. Look, I am your father. I'm gonna take a lot of adjustment. Wow, you can see a lot better than my other one. Oh, I've got a lot of adjustment too. Huh. Sticks away from my head, father. Yeah. Yeah, they got there and that and there and there. Flimsier. You gotta make sure you pull that off. Damn. Got a lot of welding I'm gonna be doing. Still, make sure you pull the inside one off too.
Yep. Wait.
Peel that off. There you go. There you go. Well, now you can see. And you got a lot of adjustments in here. You can shade is yeah, we'll give a review on it. Since I bought it, I can do what I want to with it. It's very nice helmet compared to what I had. Yep. Don't get bright enough in here. Let me go look at the sun and see. Maybe later, but the whole thing is lit up and I can see a lot. Well, the other one was just, here, I'll show you. This one was a Lincoln welder too. And as you can see, all I had was just this much. Well, now I got that much. Yeah. We'll see what it does. So, if you didn't watch the last episode, which I hope you did, we was talking about putting the sides things on. So, let's go do that. Yep. So that's what it looks like. Oh, I might blind you. I lose my head at one attached. I had to go get some welding stuff. Woo! That thing's heavy. So let's put the safety stuff on it.
Still recording. Yep. Safety chains. See which way this thing's facing. I was with the mailman. Or the mail lady, I don't know which one it was. Postal employee. I think that's what we gotta say, postal employee. Safety chains. Ain't nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Nobody knows.
This is where the rats has chewed on it. Rats are, it might be chipmunks. I don't know. I keep seeing chipmunk run around out front. I hope they ain't getting in the truck. It's the small winds that we take it. Little small winds here and there. I got the whole world in my hand. I got the whole, he's got the whole world in his hand. You know, 'cause the B-I-B-L-E tell me. I know, I'm singing Sunday, songs, yeah. Anyway, I got the gas tank and got that all moved up. So let's put some gas in it. How about that? I'm just all over the board, ain't I? I don't know how much gas we got in it. Y'all running 93 dead dinosaurs in it, just to clear it up. I believe that's good enough for now. Yep, I got the door mounted. Oh, need to make sure you put your gap back on. It should start up. It should. What you hear running is the air compressor. This might take a little longer than I thought because that boat broke out in that. Dang it. This is what you get when you get somebody else's puzzle. It's like having a puzzle without a picture to know how it's supposed to look. Well, I guess I do know how it's supposed to look. Just don't know how it goes. I think I got it figured out though. But now I just realized that's a bolt stuck in there that I gotta take out. Well, you know the old Kenny Rogers songs, you gotta know when to hold them and when to fold them. Ladybugs are everywhere. Tell me they don't bite. So, yeah, I gotta go right to the parts stores now and get me, I gotta make, I guess I need about 12 of these. These are, I guess they 13 millimeters, I guess. And, yeah, matrix. So, so you won't get to see that going together, but really want to see me going, you know, but anyway, check out that video there, and that one, and stay tuned. We got a surprise coming. Yep.